Alright, let's break every steak rule you've ever heard. Today I'm showing you how to make a steak that starts by boiling. Boiled steak, then oven finished for that perfect crust. Sounds wild? Trust me, you're gonna want to try this. Here's what you'll need. 1 thick-cut ribeye steak, about 1.5 inches thick. 2 tablespoons kosher salt. 1 tablespoon cracked black pepper. 2 cloves garlic smashed. A sprig of fresh rosemary. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Got it? Awesome. First, season your steak generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Let that sit at room temp for 20 minutes. Now bring a pot of water to a gentle boil. Think 200-degree Fef, just below a rolling boil. Add your smashed garlic and rosemary right into the water. Carefully lower in your steak. Set a timer for exactly 8 minutes. The water bath is going to gently cook the steak edge to edge, keeping it crazy juicy. At the 8-minute mark, pull out your steak, pat it dry. Seriously, moisture is the enemy of a good crust. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees. Yep, we're going hot. In a heavy skillet, melt your butter until it's just starting to brown. Lay in the steak, listen for that sizzle. Sear for 1 minute per side, just to get that golden crust. Now straight into the oven for 3 minutes if you like medium rare. Flip once halfway through for an even cook. Pull it out, let it rest for 5 minutes. I know, waiting is torture, but trust me. Slice it up, and just look at that. Juicy, perfectly pink center, crispy edges. Who knew boiling steak could be this epic? Alright, if you learned something new today, smash that like button and subscribe for more wild kitchen experiments. Drop your wildest steak questions below. I might just cook them next. See you in the next one.